Do you know if they left?
He's there.
Sorry?
He's there. He's there.
He's there?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So I can do this one.
I've got a call from my clients I think you spoke to this morning about the other situations. We haven't actually experienced anything with him.
Okay.
Violent or anything. There's allegations of domestic violence, that's obviously.
Yeah.
That's what we're hearing about. But in terms of obviously the entire process, I've not seen him violent or anything threatening.
But he also has a problem.
That's what we said again. The problem is, I can't really aware of
The thing with animals is if he doesn't take them with him, you take them.
Oh.
So you should always put the
Dog handler. Right, that's good to know.
Animal.
Hadn't realised, yeah, no, we hadn't realised it, but yeah, usually just let's take them with them. So, okay, fine, well, you know, have a look if time.
Yeah, you might be going home with a dog tonight. So, are we allowed in? What's happening? Or
believe so,
we've
yeah.
got to wait for someone?
The site manager said he's just coming around. I think he said he's on the other end of the building.
Oh, okay.
He's just coming around, so he'll then take the guys round. I think they've got keys as far as I'm aware. Right, so you're shop based?
Plaistow.
Okay.
Barking Road.
Nice. Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry,
yes.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Got a chap here that just
Brilliant. Okay.
you show us the way.
Sure. Give the keys.
If we can have the keys, we've got a locksmith with us, but if we have got a set of keys, that would be helpful.
Yes, I need to get the keys. That's it. There should be another set as well.
Yeah, well, that's it. There's no problem.
Not just for the keys.
No, they don't need the phone.
No. I'll take those keys. Let's get the other keys as well. Which one? Where is it?
I mentioned last time, because I called a lot of applications, so I was good job to tell us.
Yeah.
We don't know about it.
But they can't stop it.
No.
It's a legal process. It's not for them to stay.
Stop it, yeah.
They
Which is
happen.
absolutely. Which is one of the court, isn't it? So,
Need the parcel.
Oh, sorry.
I was called by this and wake up Wednesday to read it. It's a student life. Which is just silly, yeah, because obviously the courts are ultimate authority.
I know. If you look at TV, look at that program. You see the way people trying to stop it.
Yeah, I know.
It's laughable. I was just over there in the next block. 108, yeah?
108, flat 108, yes. I'll come, you're not coming here because especially if you've got issues with harm, it's not going to make it better. That's why I wonder why you didn't walk release.
Get all the keys, which I think belongs to the ex-wife.
Yes.
Who gave it to us.
Okay, fine.
So,
That's fine. Well, yeah, well, that's fine. We can see if those work. And
So is it just a guy on his own now?
yes.
No kids or anything in there? Okay.
there was some lady that was apparently
She moved
out.
So these keys should open both locks
Okay.
if needed.
Hopefully he'll open it.
I like this
Yeah.
lift.
Why? You want
Because-
to move in?
No, because I can put 100-inch TV inside. My lift
Alright.
maximum was 85 and I can't buy bigger because I can't get it inside and I can't get it on 10th floor without lift. That one will take 100 inches. Is that
What number are we?
108.
108?
Good morning, bailiffs. Can you come to the door, please? She's coming.
Can hear that dog.
Oh, it's a dog there.
Yeah, there's definitely a dog in there. I heard it.
Hope he likes you. Good morning, sir. You okay?
Yeah, I'm recording this for my own records.
Okay then. My name's Steve. I'm a county court bailiff. Can we come in?
Yeah, sure.
Are you packed and ready to leave?
Yes.
Okay. Is there anything you're going to need to come back for?
I think so.
No? So the furniture and stuff isn't yours. Can we come in? We'll have a look. No, you lead the way, sir. Okay. The locksmith will probably start training the
I
lock.
think we should.
You should wait, yeah.
Did you wait outside?
One of the bailiffs do that.
Yeah. I can normally crack. Yeah, I can normally crack on. To be honest. So both locks, yeah.
Yes, both. Yeah, both locks. Yes, both on the same side.
My son. Oh, she has, yeah, I haven't seen him in years. Well, she came by with his little navigation violence, and she's keeping them.
We ain't got detainers, but I can come back. For this if you want at any time. But we can do the top for now, and then if you want to come back for this, we can always come back for you. Yeah. At least you'll be able to lock yourself. Use that. He's a detainer. But what I would do for now, just in case somebody does have a key and come back, remove that one because they could potentially lock it. So just remove that one for now, and then look for that.
This bit, this will say, right? Or
Yeah, yes, that stays there. Yeah, just in case someone comes back and locks it. Yeah. Right, can I just move this there? I thought I heard a dog.
Outside, I can move out the way, or
No, it's okay. Yeah.
just like one corridor.
Good luck. Thank you. Okay. I know you.
I just need
Oh,
to
yeah.
get my card.
Oh, sorry.
When-
I'll step up this time.